Have you ever felt like you're caught in a fitness rut? Doing the same old workouts day in and day out, hoping for that extra kick to get your heart racing and those calories melting away? Well, if you're looking to ignite your fitness journey with an exercise that's not just effective, but downright exhilarating, you're in for a treat. Picture this: a single exercise that blends squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps into one explosive movement. A true powerhouse of fitness. I'm talking about burpees, and trust me, they're more than just a catchy name. Today, we're diving deep into the world of burpees and uncovering what happens when you incorporate them into your daily routine. So buckle up, because this is about to get interesting. The marvels of burpees. Why should you do burpees, you might ask? Well, here's the thing. Burpees aren't your average exercise. They're a functional, full-body marvel that has the potential to transform your fitness game. Imagine combining the strength of squats, the stability of planks, the power of push-ups, and the exhilaration of jumps into one fluid movement. That's the essence of burpees. And here's the kicker. These bad boys engage major muscle groups, including your abdomen, legs, chest, and upper back. But the benefits don't stop there. Beyond the physical, burpees cultivate endurance, strength, and coordination, enhancing your ability to synchronize movements. They're like a symphony of muscle engagement, strengthening your cardiovascular system, boosting oxygen supply, refining muscle tone, and promoting better posture. The best part? Burpees are a body weight exercise. No fancy equipment required. The orchestra of muscles. All right, let's talk specifics. What muscles do burpees work? The answer? A lot. As you dive into the intricate sequence of squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps, multiple muscle groups join forces in symphony. Quads flex and extend, biceps carry the weight of extension and flexion, and pectoral, gluteal, and back muscles engage in transverse flexion and extension. It's a full-body extravaganza that not only strengthens your core, but also accelerates metabolism and nurtures your cardiovascular system. The burpee benefits. For those in the know, the world of CrossFit has long embraced the potency of burpees. In fact, CrossFitters even have a pet name for them, the Little Death. The energy demand is high, making it a staple for those aiming to amp up their workouts. However, don't let that intimidate you. Burpees can be customized to your fitness level. You can ease into them by skipping the push-ups or jump-ups. If shedding pounds is your goal, burpees have got your back. A mere 20 repetitions torch about 15 kilocalories, firing up your metabolism and setting your body ablaze with constant position changes. But it's not just about the external benefits. Burpees also target the core muscles located in the pelvis, abdomen, and lower back, fortifying your body's balance and foundation. The art of burpee technique. Now let's break down the technique. The beauty of burpees lies in their accessibility. You can perform them virtually anywhere without specialized equipment. But here's the catch. Proper form is key to unlocking their true potential. To master burpees, you'll want to break down the sequence into its foundational elements: squats, planks, and push-ups. Always remember to warm up your muscles before any physical activity, ensuring you're ready to tackle the challenge. How to do burpees right to begin. Stand straight with feet shoulder-width apart. This is your starting position. Bend your knees, lowering yourself into a squat. From here, place your hands on the floor and shift your body weight onto them, jumping your feet back to land in a plank position. Execute a single push-up and return to the plank. Now, jump your feet back up to your hands, returning to a squat position. Finally, with an explosive movement, jump up, raising your arms and clapping above your head. And that's a burpee done right. A note of caution. While burpees are a fitness wonder, they're not for everyone. If you have knee or hip issues, chronic heart conditions, or you're pregnant, it's crucial to exercise caution or consult a medical professional before diving in. Also, if you experience dizziness, nausea, or chest pain while performing burpees, stop immediately. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of burpees and the transformation they can inspire. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, burpees hold the potential to redefine your limits, reshape your body, and energize your spirit. With that said, I encourage you to explore the world of burpees and see where it takes you. And hey, Don't forget to explore our other videos on this channel. Links are right there on your screen. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, keep pushing your boundaries and breaking a sweat. Your body will thank you for it.